Hi guys! Today I'm gonna do a $20 session. I have one ticket of $10 100 million mega cash. This is ticket 37 and book number 6. And the $10 single double triple. Ticket 47 and book number 2. Okay, let's do this first. Okay, how's everyone? I hope everyone's doing well and good. I'm gonna use Florida Claimer Steads. Okay, this is his coin. Check his channel, guys, and subscribe. Okay, winning numbers 46, 67, 33, Cici Julia, 10, 29, Brother Willie Scratch to win, 17. Okay, let's find a match. 67, 40. Oh, there is. There's number 10. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get my marker. So we got the 10. Oh, 46 too. Oh, 67. All right. All right. I bought this in a 7-Eleven near my house. 41 and 89, 58, 72, 81, 59, 60, 28, 36, 690 and my 8, and LB Uso and Peggy Q. 34, we get 33, 45, 76, 86, 50 and 47, 92, 55, 48, no, 12, 4, 37, no, 54, 71, 25, SoCal is 25, 54, no, 27, oh, there's another 17, oops, okay, 24, Bestie M2M, 85, 97 and 43, no, 94, 22, NES Enchantra, 16, 69, J Sarge is 69, his favorite number, 78, 15, 14, 80, 11, the Gambler, 80, 38, 40 and 62, last row, 2, 84, 5, 82, 66, 21, 74, 51 and 30, 31, 9 and 44, J Sarge. Okay, so here, oh my gosh, 10. Woo! All right. So, what's the 2, 3 games in the same game? So, 15. So I got 25. Am I right? Game 3 game numbers in the same winning number win 3 times, right? Yeah. Awesome. Oh, all right. Yahoo! Thank you, California. Oh, got 25 there. So here, 100 million mega cash. There's a spots here. We need to find that stack of cash, 100 each. Okay, and we need to find 10x and 20x and the word win. Thank you for the assist. Teddy bear. Oh, what's that? I thought it's a 44 J Sarge. 3, 34, 25 SoCal. 24 Bessie M2M. 14. Okay. Let's find a match. 22 Chantra and NES. 30. 18. 33 Sisu Julia. We got 34. Okay. 40. So 21, come on, take it. 43, we got 44. 32, 12, Mike 8 and LB and Peggy. 28, 15, we got 14. 35, we got 34. 39, 26, we got 25. 27, SK. 5, 47, 49, 17. Not a winning ticket. At least we did get $25 here. Profit of 5. Thank you for the assist, Teddy, our teddy bear, for the claimers. Ted, check his channel, guys, and I'm gonna put his channel on my description. Excuse me. Okay, I hope you enjoy my session today. We won $25. This is $20 session. Profit of 5. Okay. Thank you, California. Love you all. Bye-bye.